Okay, guys. Okay, I'm back. I figured out my problem. I finished the code, pretty much the program. Now, what we have here, what you didn't see me do as well, what I first did was actually make the add function actually work. So let me talk you through it. This creates a temporary node so we can add the input items into the list. Now, what kind of linked list this is, to my knowledge, I believe it's a stack. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Is this a stack? Well, it's either a stack or a queue. But yeah. Let's see. Temp.data equals data, which means temporary data is equal to the data that is temporary data is equal to the data that is input from the user, which is this, which is also this, this, and this. Now, temp dot links equals node pointer. Now, this points to the original pointer, which is a reference. This symbol is a reference. Now, we want a reference because we want to push temp.links reference. Oh, sorry, node pointer to be temp.links. We want node pointer to link to temp.links because it's linking node pointer to temp.links, I believe. Now, this in turn connects everything. Now, what we want to do is set temp equal to node pointer. Because if we make temp equal to node pointer, the reference goes to node pointer. Temp's reference equals node pointer. So temp gets sent back over here because this is a reference. It's node pointer. That's why linked is a node. It's our little baby. Linked. It calls linked. Goes woo. Goes like whoa. This is a reference. Creates new node. Creates a little cell within the baby. A little cell within the baby gets data, which is here, and temp.links. It links everything together, or at least this little cell of the baby to the little baby. Then temp.link, or temp equals node pointer, which is making everything gluing together better. Wow, I don't know what the hell I'm saying. But then this is used to stop up here, -1, because I don't know how to end. Let's go down here to, I do not know how to end it correctly for printing. If I do not do this here, this -1, usually it's supposed to be equal to null, or not equal to null. But I don't know how to make it work correctly. But also what I did up here, wait, what did I do? Oh yeah, I was going to bring up this reference has to be reference here when it's an add, because you're trying to, well, if you were just to make it a pointer, you'd be, I believe, overlapping it or pointing to information instead of pointing to the reference. You want to reference the memory that it's at. Now let's see it work in action. I think I have this in my other, oh no, it's right there. See that? Shit. How am I going to show you both? So, I want to show both. Whoops, saw my game there. Okay, well, okay, here we go. We first put in -1, then we put in link 12. You know what? I could show more in depth of this by just doing a step in. Let's run the cursor. Let's put this. Will this still be? Nope, it's going to disappear. Now let's look down here. Linked. It just created a new link that created our little baby. Little baby has no information. Nothing to tell us. If we were to print this right now, we would get errors. Something like not able to get to this memory or something along those lines. Boop. Look at that. Something popped up down here. Look at that. Links. Wait, hold on. Where are we at right now? Okay. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, just created something. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Just created temp. Temp is now something. Node pointer. Node pointer. Okay, no, let's just keep. I don't know how to read this too well. This is okay. Look at that. Boom. Boom. Then that. Look at that. Temp.data equals data. That's temp.data. Well, I don't know why it's not equaling data. Step into it again. -1. -1 is temp.data. Boom. Then let's see. Temp.links should equal a reference. Look at that. That's memory. Is that memory? That's memory. Isn't that an error? Okay, I think there's nothing there. Okay. Links equals OX. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that memory there. OXCDCDCDCDCDC. Then temp.links equals the links is OX0XCDCDCDCDC. They're linked together. Their links is linked together. Now which one is that? Node pointer. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, let's step in again. Boom. Look at that. What did I just do? I don't know. Let's step in again. There we go. We're adding another one. Let's go boop, boop. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see. Boop, boop. Node pointer. Oh, 0x00AF068. Then we go down to the temp. It should be referencing it. There we go. Right there. It's referencing the node pointer, which is also called linked. This is getting down to 30 now, just repeating the same thing. Hold on. That's the previous one, I believe. Yeah. Damn, dude. Actually, I'm learning right now with you guys. Holy shit, this is actually pretty cool. But all of our data we input should be all here. Look at that. And it is. We first put in -1, then we put in 12, then we put in 15. It's all here in the memory. It's on the list, linked together harmoniously. Now we go to the print function. Now first we start at n. N is what we put in is linked list. Node pointer is the pointer to the node. Oh, let's see all this. Oop. Let's first look at this. Our first one we put in. Okay, wait. Last in, first out. Is that? Wait. Last in, first. Okay, fuck. I'm confused which kind of linked list this is. So let's see. Okay, now it should 50. Last in, last out. I gotta look this up though. Last in, last out. Linked list. Stack. Last in. Okay. I believe that's a stack. Last in. Or is it a key? Man. I don't know. I believe it's a stack. I'm just gonna guess that. Okay, where are we at? We're at printing the first one. Now we go boom, boom, boom. N data equals N. Okay, now it's just running through all the memories, the links, and then it's doing the n.data, which will be the second one, it'll be the third one, and the fourth one. Look at that. We printed out everything, 15, 2, 12, and then I also, because this is the last and last out, or first out, -1, it would be the last one to print out, but I told it to not to stop when it hits -1. N.data does not equal to -1 while it doesn't equal that, then it prints. But if I would, let me show you. Let me show you. If I allow it to error. Now look at this. Look at that, exception thrown, access violation. That is because, look at that, there's nothing to read, so it throws an error, and I don't know how to throw a exception because I just don't understand that. But look at that, damn. Now this is the end. I thank you for whoever watches. This was stupid. Goodbye. I believe this was Stack, not cute.